Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Shell Credit Card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Shell Credit Card online, first open up a web browser. In the search box appearing on the display, type in Shell Credit Card Login and press enter. From the search results appearing on the next page, click on this link that says Shell Credit Card Login or Apply. Your Shell Credit Card is issued by Citibank. Enter your user ID in the text box where it says User ID on the left hand side of the screen. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID in this particular device, make sure to leave this box checked where it says Remember my user ID. If you're using a public or a shared device, make sure to leave it unchecked and then head over to the next field and type in your password associated with your credit card account. If you don't remember your user ID, click on Retrieve User ID link. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password, click on Reset Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. After typing in all of your credentials, click on the Sign On button and you'll be able to access to your Shell credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.